bafethu I'm sure umangele ne amarungazi mangazi lo muntu engimena uyamazi Thothi Matunusa akekho umuntu ongamazi izinja thina uyazi speak and Fustana still ama big player otherwise mangeke la kuba nathi asikho big angithola marara itswara Khotmalami ngicela usintroduce igama lakho lamampela because most people bakwazi ngoThothi I don't know ukuthi igama lakho lebhola or bakubiza ngoThothi because of the Italian Thothi I don't know but please introduce yourself utshela abantu ukuthi wena ubani wakwabani uphumaphi
so igama lami lamampela ngukateko Macheki ngibuya eSoweto Shawela kaSlam kada
okay Khotmalami because you know umuntu otrendayo emadiskini waseKasi can you please tell me your secret ingredient ukuthi ibhola lakho limastara kanjani and leyitalo hlezi uzenza upractice nini kanjani
obviously gym kumele usifunde gymini and nanoma udlala egroundini ungadoubt mawufuna ukuyenza into yenze that's why nami ngiyenza kanjani itayila zabo mangithi ngishaya idolo ngiyalishaya
as for ama doubts I know most ama player ashawa self confident egroundini unokenza into sometimes yasaba ukudlala ebantwini la kune crowd ikhona as for as a player how do you handle the pressure la kune crowd ikhona
mina sengijwayele ukudlala kukanje ukubhaya egroundini yazi ngapha ke iPamrich haya ngiyazi ukuthi mangidlala njalo ucrazy ukugcwele ngisasabi next
so i style of play sakho ungasidescribe uthini
style of play sami mina ngiyaliganda maqeda ngishaya ipass i style of play sami leso ngidume ngaso